In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to effectively conduct virtual meetings or presentations, whether for work, school, or any other purpose that demands collaborative communication. So, let's dive in and explore the simple yet efficient process of sharing your PowerPoint slides through Microsoft Teams. To begin, ensure that your Microsoft Teams application is open on your device. If it isn't already installed, you'll need to download and install it. Once you're in the app, navigate to the left-hand side of your screen here. You'll find several icons for various features. What we're specifically looking for is to join a meeting where you'll share your slides. So, either join an ongoing meeting or schedule a new one. Once you're in a meeting, you'll see a toolbar. It generally appears around the bottom of the meeting window. Locate the Share icon, which looks like an upward arrow. Click on this icon to open the sharing options. This step will present you with a sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen. In this sidebar, you'll see various options for things you can share, such as your entire screen, a single window, or a specific application. For sharing PowerPoint slides, you'll want to pay attention to the section that specifically lists available PowerPoint files. If your presentation is already open, or if you've recently worked on it, there's a good chance it will appear here under PowerPoint. If it doesn't appear, don't worry, you can upload your presentation directly from your computer. Simply click on Browse and navigate through your files to locate and select the desired PowerPoint file. This will allow Teams to prepare your presentation for sharing, ensuring that all participants can see each slide clearly. As you progress through your presentation, Microsoft Teams provides you with intuitive controls to help manage the flow. A convenient toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen once your presentation begins. Here, you can nudge your way through each slide using the arrow buttons, or you can jump to a specific slide if needed. This makes the presentation feel smoother and more professional. Additionally, it's useful to know that participants have the option to view your slides at their own pace. However, if you need to maintain a stricter control over the flow of the presentation, you can disable this feature. Simply look for the I icon on the floating toolbar and select it to enable or disable private viewing. Remember to keep your communication clear and engage with your audience throughout your presentation. Using tools like the chat feature or prompting interactive discussion are both effective strategies. With these methods, your presentations in Microsoft Teams can become more dynamic and engaging. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to sharing PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams. It's a process that, once mastered, can significantly boost your productivity and ease of sharing knowledge remotely. Happy presenting!